Hi guys, Mudge here with Golden Motor. As promised, we're going to be modifying this Saran. The first thing we're going to do today is change out the sprocket. So this one came with a 25 tooth sprocket, which gives more top speed but less torque. But it's all about the torque, right? So we're going to be putting a 48 tooth sprocket on here. The first thing you need to do is take this nut off. You'll need a 17 millimeter socket wrench and a 6 millimeter Allen wrench to hold the nut on the backside. A little bit loose, and then you want to start holding it on the back. The next step is to loosen these bolts right here. We need to loosen the chain up a little bit to take it off. You need a 10 millimeter wrench. And just go ahead and loosen them up. The next step is to take the chain out. Locate the quick link right here. And then just go ahead and pull the chain out. The next step is to take the brake calipers off. You'll need a 5 millimeter key. So once the bolts are out, you can go ahead and remove the brake caliper. And now we just have to remove the axle. Just push it through. It should come right off. Alright, so after taking the wheel off, we just have to change the sprocket out. We have to unscrew these 5 bolts. You'll need a 6 millimeter key for this one. I'm going to grab the larger sprocket. Alright, so the next step is to install the larger sprocket. So now the sprocket is on. I'm going to take the pedal kit off because I'm not using it. So there's just extra dead weight on the bike. You just have to loosen these 4 bolts up here. So we got the pedal kit out. Took a little bit. So the next step is to put the wheel in with the new sprocket. And this is a little tough to do alone, but we'll manage. Can't forget the bracket for the brake caliper. And the next step, we want to put the brake caliper back on. I don't want to tighten it yet until I adjust. I don't want to tighten this yet until I completely adjust the brakes, or they'll be misaligned and they'll be touching the disc the whole time. So you want to make sure they're aligned. Now I'm going to tighten this nut. I'm not going to tighten it all the way, but I'm going to push it up so it's easier to put the chain on. But I'm going to tighten it enough so where it stays there. That should do it. Yeah. Now for the chain, the best thing to do is just feed it through here. Don't put it on the sprocket because it'll be really hard to pull through. Just put it on the side of it through here, underneath the guard here. Then we can put it around the sprocket now. I have this bolt loosened on the other side as well. Now it should come all the way. Yeah, so we're good. So now I have the chain set up. Now we just got to put the link in and put it together. There we go. Now the little O-rings. Now I'm just going to tighten the chain. There's a lot of slack. Okay. Now let's tighten this up. So I'm just going to tighten this enough to where the chain is super tight and tighten the brakes. And I'll see you guys out there to test the larger sprocket.